So we're back out here working on our 2003 Expedition. As you can see, we have the tank out. We have the new pump installed. That video will be dropping soon with us taking you step by step through the process of how to drop the tank, put the pump in, and how to put everything back together. So if you want to check that video out, make sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. However, in today's video, we're going to be testing this old fuel pump. Recall from our last video, we made the call that we have a bad fuel pump in this vehicle. But one thing we couldn't do, we couldn't get to this connector in order to test powers and grounds at the fuel pump. So what we're going to do now, since we have this fuel pump out the vehicle, we have it sitting here in a bucket of water. You can see that. That is not gasoline, that is water. So we have our bucket of water here. We have the fuel pump submerged. We're going to supply powers and grounds to this fuel pump, and we're going to see what happens. Hold on and we'll be right back. So from looking at the pump and also looking at our wire diagram, we verified that our power feed is going to be pink with a black stripe, and the ground going to the fuel pump is going to be the black wire. So it makes sense because these are like the thickest two wires on this connector, and the other two wires are going to go to the float, the fuel sending unit that tells how much gas you have in your tank. So we don't have to worry about those. So we're going to apply powers and grounds to these wires, and let's see what happens. Hold on, we'll get set up and we'll be right back. So I think we're about ready to do our test. Let me show you what we've got here. So I'm using my wire piercing tools. I've got a red one that's going on a power feed and a black one that's going on a negative. This connector was kind of tight in here. So instead of trying to put alligator clips in here and risk things touching, we're doing it this way. So we're connected. This is our negative. This is our positive. We've got our pump submerged in water. I've got my power probe right here. First thing we're going to do first is a continuity test to see, do we have a closed path? Can current flow in this circuit? So I'm just going to take my positive probe and connect it here. And we have continuity. So that means we do have a path for current to flow. There's no breaks in this circuit. So that's just a circuit test we're doing here. So let me show you on the tip. We've got 14.6 volts. We're going to apply it. Nothing. This pump is bad. So this is proof that our diagnosis was right, and this pump is in fact bad. I'll show you that again. I turned the sound off so I don't overwhelm you with that. That's a good connection. So let's go ahead and apply it. Nothing happens. And we've got a significant drop in our voltage, which means that that's more evidence that this pump is in fact bad.
If this information has helped you out, do us a huge favor and smash that like button right now and consider subscribing. We'd really appreciate it. As a DIYer, when it comes to getting access to information that will assist you with servicing and maintaining your own vehicle, we recommend Mitchell 1 DIY. With Mitchell 1 DIY, you get not only access to quality in-depth wiring diagrams for your vehicle, but you also get component locations, component tests, technical bulletins, and much more. If you'd like to learn more about the service, please see the link down in the description below for more details. Once you get on the Mitchell 1 website, be sure to check out the free demo of everything that's included in your product subscription. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.